In this video, we're going to look at the Case Transactions module of the Tradie on the Move control panel. A case transaction is created whenever a transaction cannot be processed in a Credo that's sent in from the Tradie on the Move mobile. For instance, if you try to create a timesheet batch against a job that's already been closed in a Credo. To find your Case Transactions module, scroll down to the General section, and it's just this third to last item here. Each of the transactions is laid out with some data along the top being the date it was created, the job it's for, and the user who created it. And then there's a raw dump of all the transaction information in this JSON format. If we scroll down further, we can see the transaction type. In this case, it's a time, which means a timesheet. Now, if I need to change any of the data on this transaction, I can just make these changes here and click Save Changes. If I want to reprocess this transaction, this means have another crack at saving it into a Credo, I can click the Reprocess Transaction button. This will talk to our Tradie on the Move gateway and give us an appropriate error message back if it wasn't able to be created. In this case, I can see job 1 is not active. I can say, right, I know exactly what I need to do. I can open my Credo ledger, find that job, and I can mark the job as active and hit save. Now I can return to the Case Transaction screen inside the Tradie on the Move control panel and reprocess the transaction. Transaction successfully processed, and that one then disappears from the list.